So my name is Shelby Bastarash. I'm the communications lead for the Codemobile. The Codemobile is an initiative from a nonprofit called Canada Learning Code. The Codemobile is basically a tech lab, computer lab on wheels. So it's powered by a code squad. There's 2 of us on each van, so there's 14 vans across Canada. So we have myself, the communications lead, and my work partner, Steve, he's the education lead. And what we do is we travel all around. We go to schools, we go to libraries, community centers, fairs and festivals, wherever there's children, youth, adults, teens, everybody. We teach coding and technology. So we bring the experiences to the schools and everywhere. We bring everything with us. We have all the laptops, robotics, and we teach coding workshops. So really the spirit of the Codemobile is to bring these coding workshops and technical skills into the hands of those who might not otherwise have the opportunity to. So really we're just trying to engage, inspire the children to become builders and not just consumers of technology. So we're funded by the federal government from their Cancode initiative, which allows all of our workshops and visits to be completely free. So if anyone would like a visit from the Codemobile, all you have to do is go online to canadalearningcode.ca, or if you just go to Google and type in the Codemobile, you can request a visit from us. Your request will go to the nearest Codemobile in your area, and you'll get a visit from us.